Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Bait AOPG. First, let's understand what this item is. Kraken Bait AOPG is a special in-game item found within a one-piece game. You can purchase it from the Kraken Hunter NPC for 20,000 gems. Its primary purpose is to help you summon the powerful Kraken boss for battles and rewards. To get started, you'll need to acquire the bait. Head to the giant boat island in the third sea and find the Kraken Hunter NPC to make your purchase. Once you have the bait, you can use it within the third sea. Remember, using the bait provides a 20% chance for the Kraken boss to appear, so it's not always guaranteed on the first try. Understanding the Kraken spawn mechanics is important. There's a server-wide limit of 5 Krakens that can be active simultaneously. If this limit is already met, your bait will not successfully spawn another. Krakens typically spawn at random locations, often near teleport islands, so be ready to search the area after using your bait. Finally, let's discuss the benefits and strategy. Successfully defeating the Kraken boss can reward you with valuable in-game items, including different types of calamari for blacksmith quests. For more consistent attempts, consider using a private server to avoid competition. Teaming up with friends can also significantly increase your chances of both spawning and defeating the Kraken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.